Today we're going to talk about Polkadot token. What is Polkadot? Is it still a good project to buy? Who is founder? And what can we expect in the future? I'll leave the rest for you to decide. I'll see you in a video. Polkadot, currently sitting on 11th place on CoinMarketCap list. With no maximum supply, it's inflationary unlike Bitcoin, which is not really good, and it got just over 1 billion in total supply. Founded by Gavin Wood, former CEO founder of Ethereum and Ethereum CTO, he was chief of technology, knows Ethereum inside and out, which is a huge feather in the cap for Polkadot. His vision was multi-chain framework that basically everybody can tie it to. Focus is to support the centralization of the Web 3.0. First test was Canary Kusama network that is independent of Polkadot but runs on early unaudited version of Polkadot. Background and what it does. Endgame of Polkadot is to enable Web 3.0, which is a very big challenge to overcome. It's fully decentralized internet, and if you think that the internet we use every single day is centralized. A part of the vision is also to enable separate blockchains to communicate with one another, and all chains can run at the same time securely and in scalable manner. Target industries, Polkadot focuses on enterprise and business that require bank-level security and stability, such as finance, gaming, payments, cybersecurity, supply chain management, insurance, private transport. Ecosystem of Polkadot is very strong. They have built very powerful ecosystem with over 400 projects, and they have key partners across all key areas of oracles, DeFi, smart contracts, privacy wallets, gaming, and so much more. Negativity. Polkadot founder Gavin Wood first introduced the token via white paper in 2016, but the end of 2020, Polkadot began trading. With such a short history, Polkadot doesn't have a track record, and that's why it's riskier investment for potential buyers. Polkadot also got very good energy consumption comparing to another coins. And conclusion, I think Polkadot is a coin to stay with impressive ecosystem and projects, and you can get it on a very discounted price right now that can easily become 10x token. What is your opinion about Polkadot? Please write us down in the comment section. And if you're interested to learn how to invest and trade in the crypto market, we prepared for you a free ebook that you can download in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning